Hey all, Josh Pixler, Rick's Optics Pro staff. Got a little something different to unbox today. This is the Rick's Tactical MK-R3000s. They are the range-finding binoculars. They are 8x32 with range-finding capabilities. There's also ballistic calculations built into it. Let's see what we get in the box. First off, you see this instruction manual. As usual, tells you all about the optics, how to operate it, and all the key functions. Also have a nice lens wipe. Looks like they come in a nice bino pack. Very nice. We also have, there's the back piece, the shoulder straps and everything for the bino pack. Here's the binoculars. Nice little caps on there. Set for the rear. These do take a MK-R3000 battery that operates the rangefinder, and that goes in the front compartment here. Unscrew that piece. Set the battery in. This compartment knob twist, shut it. A little tough to see, but there's the rangefinder reticle in there. More to come on this nice set of binoculars once I get them out in the field and give them a try. Thanks for watching.